Hola, these are some common birds of the Teotitlan area. Here's the presa. And these are ducks.
Patos en Zapoteco, bad.
And here's an American coot. It's very common.
Badmur.
Except it's not a duck. Because look, it doesn't have webbed feet. And this is the spotted sandpiper.
Arrieros, creo que son arrieros.
And the cliff swallow, they fly around, and you'll see those often. And
Gars.
This is a cattle egret. You'll find them with the cattle, but it's similar to the snowy egret, which is smaller than the great egret, which you'll see flapping also there.
That's, we call them garzas grises.
Great blue heron. This is the green kingfisher. Okay, those at the lake. Now if we go in our walk in the mountains,
Pikachu.
We're going to see the turkey vulture.
Gulbats.
And the black vulture, white wings.
Gulbats and gas, so jing, buniraning.
And the caracara.
And biek.
And the red-tailed fox. And the Cooper's hawk.
And gavilancillo.
The roadrunner.
Correcamino.
And here you go.
Chachalaca, Bedrig.
And the wren, with their tails up in the air. The vermilion flycatcher.
Zapotec, shkit.
Now we're in the town, we're walking around, we're going to see birds like the great-tailed grackle.
Baca, Zapoteco.
And many different kinds of hummingbirds.
Zapoteco, badundguna. And Zapoteco, badundangiu.
The white-winged dove.
Gulta, Zapotec.
And the
Gulbech.
That's the
Zapotec.
Morton dove. Inca dove.
Zapoteco, Gug.
And the ground dove.
Bediu, Zapoteco.
And this is the house sparrow.
Biche. Calandria, Spanish.
And the mockingbird. Various songs. That's Bullock's oriole. And then small birds, the yellow warbler, the yellow rumped warbler, and the yellow throated vireo.
I think beach there, I think. Zapoteco.